Hi guys, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. Luxe Mom TV in the building. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, also share this video with your friends. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So today I'm gonna be making two slushies. Okay, the kids really love this slushie and I want to bring it to you guys. Okay, so I'll be making pineapple lemon slushy and also raspberry lemon slushy. Okay guys, so my ingredients to make this slushy is canned pineapple. If you have the natural pineapple, that's also good. Okay, but make sure they are ripe and sweet. Okay, so I have raspberry here, lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Okay, also I'll be needing ice, okay, for this recipe. Okay, so guys, if you are interested in seeing what this slush is all about, keep on watching. Okay guys, we're gonna start off by making this simple syrup. Okay, we're just gonna make a simple syrup. Put half a cup of water in a saucepan like so and get it to a boil. So once the water boils, you pour in your light brown sugar. Okay, and we're gonna make a simple syrup from it. Okay, so we just keep letting it boil down until it forms a syrup. Okay, until it becomes syrup. Okay, so we continue to do this and keep it boiling and boiling it, then it will become a syrup. So I will show you what it looks like in a couple of minutes. Okay, so guys, while the syrup is getting ready, I wanted to show you these cups I found at Aldi's. Okay, so these are 4 cups you can use for smoothies, you can use them for slushies, you can use them for juice, drinks, and all that. Okay, so especially in this summertime, it's very needful. Okay, so I got this whole pack of 4 for $6.99. Very affordable. Okay guys, so if you're looking for cups at this time, check out all these if you have all these in your area. Okay, so we are a family of 4. This is perfect. When I saw it, I just picked it up. I didn't even think twice. This is perfect for me and my family. So each we just get a color each, and we good to go all through this summer. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to show you that. So let's go check on our syrup now. I'm still working on the syrup, guys. The syrup is not ready yet, so I just decided to unbox the cups. So this is what they look like, and they all come with their individual straws. Okay, so this is so good, very affordable, value for the money. Okay, these are all the straws it came in. Okay, all right, so I hope the syrup is ready now. Let me just go and check quickly. So guys, our simple syrup is ready now. Okay, I'm just going to turn the light out. Okay, allow it to just cool down for a little bit, then I'm gonna pour it in the blender and add all of the other ingredients. Then we're gonna make the slushy. Okay, so guys, my pineapple is open now. Okay, so I'm gonna pour in the crushed pineapple. So make sure you get everything out. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the lemon juice. I'm gonna use 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. Okay. All right. Then I'm gonna bring this simple syrup now. I'm pouring it. Then I'm gonna put some ice. put as much ice as you want, okay? So now I'm gonna go in the, I'm gonna go blend it, okay? Just gonna take it over there, across over there, and blend it. All right, so it's all blended nicely, and this is the slushy, so I'm just gonna put them in the cups. So this is a glass cup, guys. It won't be good in the freezer, or if you put in the freezer, make sure you know what I mean, make sure you watch on it so that it doesn't burst and crack, okay? So guys, I have 2 cups of the pineapple lemon slushy, okay? So now let's begin, and let's do that of the raspberry, okay? The raspberry lemon slushy. Let's go and do that now, okay?
Can I have it?
Okay guys, now for the raspberry, we're gonna make a simple syrup like we did the last time. Bring half cup of the water to a boil. Then for this one, I'm gonna be using white sugar, okay? The last one I use light brown sugar, okay? So white 3 tablespoons of white sugar, okay? So you put in the sugar in the pot, and now you add your raspberry into this syrup you're trying to make, okay? And just let it sit in there and let it boil, okay? So just let the raspberry and the syrup, let them infuse, you know, together. So guys, my syrup is now ready, okay? So you want it to be like so. Let me move it so close to the camera so you can see. You want, you know, all the color of the raspberry to go inside the syrup, okay? So it's ready now. I'm just gonna use a strainer and strain it out, okay? So if you want some raspberry chunks into your slushy, you can do that, but for me, I don't want no raspberry into my slushy, so I'm just gonna use only the syrup, okay? So guys, this is it. So I'm gonna strain it now. Big mess right here. Yeah, I thought that should help, but it didn't help. So okay guys, so the raspberry syrup is in there now. Finally got it in. Then I'm gonna put some lemon juice, about like the same amount I used for the last one, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, okay? This lemon juice has a stopper, so that's why sometimes it's difficult to pour it in. You have to press it out. So you put it in there, then you pour in your ice, okay? Make sure you put a lot of ice, as much ice as you like. So I'll take it to the blender now and blend it. So guys, our raspberry lemon slushy is ready. You see how bright the color is, how red. So with that syrup, you know, it just infused into each other, okay? This is how it looks like in here. So I'm gonna get a cup again, and I'm gonna pour it into the cup, guys. So looking all nice and yummy. All right, guys, here they are. This is the raspberry slushy. So it's ready now. This is one of the pineapple one. The other one, my daughter took it. You see, she's here to grab it. So so guys, this is it. So I hope you enjoy watching, okay? So please guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe, okay? Also share with your friends, and also make sure you try this recipe for your family, especially in this summertime, okay? Slushy is always good, okay? Just to, you know, cool them down, you know, from the summer heat and the sun, okay guys? So I appreciate you all so much. Please come back again and watch my videos. Also share with your friends, okay, if you haven't done so. All right, so I'll see you in my next one. Take care now. Bye guys.